Welcome to today's journey into the fascinating world of chemistry, where we're about to uncover mind-blowing facts you never knew. Did you know that the entire universe is made of just 118 known elements? Yet, life as we know it primarily uses only 24. That's right, just a small portion of these elements journeyed through space to create everything from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Let's dive deeper. Water, a simple molecule with two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom, is the only substance on Earth that naturally occurs in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas. And speaking of ice, did you know that it expands as it freezes? That's why ice floats on water instead of sinking. Remarkable, isn't it? Now consider this. The metals in your smartphone are the same that existed billions of years ago. Gold, for example, is believed to have originated from exploding stars, supernovas, from a time long before Earth was even formed. Just imagine, each time you hold a piece of gold, you're basically holding a tiny fragment of ancient cosmic history. In the chemical world, there are elements that leave us astounded with their properties. Take gallium, for instance. It's a metal that can melt in your hand due to its low melting point, slightly above room temperature. Fascinatingly, it's used in electronics, LEDs, and solar panels. Ever heard of the magic of Teflon? It's not just for non-stick pans. Teflon repels almost everything due to its molecular structure, making it one of the most slippery substances known to science. This property is so unique that it's employed in a variety of high-tech and industrial applications, beyond just our kitchenware. Next up, let's talk about elements we owe our life to. While carbon is often dubbed the element of life, do you know what makes it so special? Carbon atoms can bond with each other, forming long chains and complex structures essential for organic life, from DNA to proteins. Finally, let's not forget about the periodic table itself, a masterpiece of scientific organization. Elements are arranged by increasing atomic number. But did you know that the table's layout also predicts the properties of yet-to-be-discovered elements? Thanks for joining us on this exploration of chemistry's wonders. It's a testament to the magic of the material world, where basic building blocks combine in endless ways to form the tapestry of the universe, and invite us to discover more, one incredible fact at a time.